In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to design a Canva poster from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. Canva is one of the easiest and most powerful design tools out there, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose a poster layout, customize it, apply effects, and make it look professional in just a few minutes. This is perfect for events, social media, marketing, school projects, or business promotions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free using your email or Google account. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home screen where you can access all design options. Next, look for the More option on the home screen and click on it. This will expand Canva's full list of design types. In the search bar, type in Poster and press Enter. Canva will now show you a wide variety of poster formats and sizes designed for different purposes. Go ahead and click on any poster option that fits your needs. Once you select a poster type, Canva will open the editor and display a huge collection of ready-made poster templates. These templates are fully customizable, so you don't need to design everything from scratch. Scroll through the templates and click on the one that best matches your theme, whether it's for an event, promotion, or announcement. After selecting your template, click on Edit to start customizing it. Now you're inside the Canva editor, where all the magic happens. Click on any image in the template and select Edit to adjust filters and effects. Canva provides built-in filters that instantly change the mood and color tone of your poster. Try out different filters and see which one matches your style best. You can also apply image effects to enhance the visual impact. At the top of the editor, you'll see the main toolbar. This toolbar gives you access to important features like transparency, animation, position, and more. If you want to adjust how visible an element is, click on Transparency and use the slider to control how light or bold it appears on your poster. This is especially useful for backgrounds and overlay elements. Next, to add movement or visual interest, click on Animate. This allows you to animate text, images, or other elements. Select the text on your poster, then choose an animation style that fits your design. You can preview different animations and pick the one you like best. Now click on the text elements in your poster to edit them. You can change the wording, font style, size, color, and alignment. Canva also offers text effects, so click on Effects to explore options like shadows, outlines, lift, and glow. Choose an effect and adjust settings like offset and intensity to fine-tune the look. Continue customizing your poster by adjusting elements, spacing, colors, and effects until everything looks balanced and professional. Take your time here, because small changes can make a big difference in the final design. Once you're happy with how your poster looks, your design is essentially ready. You can download it, share it online, or use it however you like. And that's it. You've successfully designed a poster in Canva from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.